to attempt this one in number 18, I notice I've got fractions. I want to get rid of those fractions first up. We could multiply through, I could do this, but then I'd have a lot of fractions. But I can do this instead. I'm going to think of the LCD. What is the smallest number that these denominators divide into? Well, they're both going to go into 21. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply each side by 21. I'm going to write the 21 here times that whole side, write it here times that whole side, and because I'm multiplying by a positive, I don't have to worry about that sign change. So doing so, things will look like this: 21 times 1/3 5x minus 2 greater than or equal to 21 times 6/7 times x plus 3. And now what happens here is this 3 will divide into the 21 7 times, and I'm left with this. 7 times 1, which is just 7. So I'm left with now this. 7 times 5x minus 2 greater than or equal to, now over here, this 7 will go into 21 3 times, and I'm left with 3 times 6, which is 18. So I get 18 times x plus 3. Now we can go ahead and distribute here. I'll distribute, getting 35x minus 14. That's greater than or equal to, now here I'll get 18x. 18 times 3 is 54. We've got x's on both sides, so I've got 35 on the left, only 18 on the right. So let's subtract the 18. So 35x's minus 18x's will leave us with 17x's, and then that minus 14, and that's greater than or equal to the 54. Let's add the 14, and then we'll divide by 17. So I'm going to add that 14, so I'll get 17x greater than or equal to, now 54 plus 14 is 68. Now we'll divide by 17, so we'll get x greater than or equal to 68 over 17, and that's 4. So x is greater than or equal to 4. And actually, while we're here, why don't I just write it so that it's readable? So let's say x is greater than or equal to 4. Number 19 looks like it's got a lot going on here, but I think we can tighten this up pretty quickly. Let's multiply through, and then we'll combine some like terms. So right here we'll get 21k plus 21, right over here. And then here we'll get minus 2k. Negative 2 times negative 9 is plus 18. Strictly greater than, multiply in here, we will get 10k plus 20 plus k minus 2. Let's add up these k's, combine like terms. 21 of them minus 2 is 19 k's, and then I've got a 21 plus 18 is going to be a 39. That's strictly greater than. Now 10 k's plus a k is 11 k's, and then 20 minus 2 is a plus 18. So we're getting pretty close now. I've got 19 k's on the left side, only 11 on the right. So I've got more on the left than the right. Let's get rid of these. Subtract 11k. So 19 k's minus 11k is going to give us 8k plus 39 greater than or equal to 18. Now let's subtract this 39, right? We're going to subtract that 39. So we'll get 8k greater than, now it's going to be 18 minus 39. So 8k greater than, now you can do this, 39 minus 18 is 21, but it's going to be negative. So negative 21. And then if we divide by 8, but alert, we've got an inequality, but I'm dividing by a positive, so the symbol is not going to change direction. So we're going to get k is greater than negative 21 over 8.